So on guys, my name is Aman. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I want to show you how you can make your own abstract liquify background in Photoshop CC. So let's get started. So let's start with the 1920 by 1080p resolution. So click OK, and after that, I'm showing the simplest method. You can use. There are two different methods. First, I'm showing you the basic method. So open the Photoshop and go to open a picture you want to open. Then choose the background you want. I'm choosing this background. So, and after that, what you have to do is go to filter and click on Liquify. I'm using CC 2014 version. If you're using latest, so it will be there. So click on it. So what now the new it will open in a new window. So what you have to do is choose the brush size. I'm choosing 1146 brush size. If you're choosing bigger brush, your work is easy and faster. But if you choose shorter, your work is done in a long time. So now what you have to do is rotate this brush in a circular paths like this, just like this. So you can practice it by doing that. Not doing this again and again. Anything it is done, so just click OK. I think it is done. So you can do it again if you want, or just control the side and you can do this again. I'm doing this again because it is looking very so after doing this, this is the first method. Now you can just type your text. After typing the text, you can customize it if you want. You can use this in your thumbnails, banners, and anything you want. So this is very useful. So the second method I am showing you is make a new window, and what you have to do is select the color you want, or just choose the black background. So go to filter again and click on render and click on cloud. So the clouds will appear on the canvas of the color you have chosen in your foreground. If you choose another color, the clouds will also come in another color. So now what you have to do is go to the again do that, go to Liquify and doing that again. Don't use a very bigger brush like this. So your clouds will come inside of the canvas. So it is not looking good. So just doing this. So it is done. Now if you want to change the color, go click on for a new layer on this short little icon, and after that choose your color. I am choosing red and click on the pen bucket tool and color it. Now what you have to do is go to the modes and select the mode of overlay. So as you can see, now it is colored as red. So now you can customize it a little bit, make a new layer, make the hardness of brushes 100 and color it from the background. So color is black. So you have to do this again on the other side. So make the opacity lower, 20% or 25% or more. So now after make a new layer another pen and go to the brush tool and make the brush size bigger. 4,000. Done. I got text. Make it bigger. Align it. So it is done. So if you enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you want more videos like this, subscribe to my channel. So thanks for watching. My name is Aman, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.